Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS, and in this video, I'll show you how you can redirect your users to a custom thank you page after checkout or any custom page after checkout. So in this video, I'll show you all the details. So let's get started. First, we have to visit our WordPress dashboard, and in the first step, we have to create pages. So I will create my custom thank you page. That's the reason we have to visit pages and add new page. So here we have to create our custom page. So I will add a page title here. And you can add any private information in this page. I want to redirect my users here. So I will add some YouTube channel links. I will add the dashboard links, or you can add some others information. Those will be private only for those users. So I will add a column and I will add a text here. So here is your dashboard. So I will add a button that will redirect them to the dashboard. So here I will add a button and I will link up this button to the dashboard page. So I will copy the dashboard page URL and will paste it in this link. So here I'm adding the dashboard link, and also I will add our YouTube channel link here. So watch the tutorials. So you can add any important information here. So I'm just doing something randomly here. You can do this as per your requirements. So I will add the YouTube link here so that they can easily visit our YouTube channels. That's it. I will publish it. And now in the second step, we have to visit courses. Also, we can fix the line as well. So now we have to visit courses to add this custom page on the access plan. So we have to visit courses and we have to select a specific page. So I want when someone will enroll in this LifterLMS Quick Start course, they will get a custom checkout thank you page after checkout. So we have to click on edit and we have to scroll down, and here we have our access plan. So in this access plan option, we will get the checkout redirect option, as you can see here. So by default, it's selected return to course. That means when someone will enroll in this course, they will redirect to the course page after checkout. But here we have a couple of options. You can choose a WordPress page, or you can choose a custom URL where you can add any website URL or any page URLs. But I want to add a custom WordPress page. So I'll select this one, and we have to select our custom thank you page that we have created. So I will search for it. So here is the custom thank you page. I will add it and we have to click on save. That's it. Now, if I show you the student view, if I enroll in this course, I will see that I'm redirecting to the thank you page. So I will visit another tab. And here is the LifterLMS Quick Start course. I will enroll in this course now. Here is the enroll button. And here it is. You have noticed that when I clicked on enroll, when I enrolled, it's redirecting me to this thank you page. So if it's a paid course, after checkout, they will redirect here. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.